my phone, Action 3. I want to get to Facebook live stream. Shouldn't be that difficult. I'm going to set everything up. I turn the camera on first. I turn on the DJI Mimo app and allow it to set up. Sometimes it automatically goes to join, or I have to hit join. I either rotate or leave like so and go to stream. I'm already on check for Facebook. I have YouTube and RTMP. I choose Facebook. If you continue to hit Facebook, nothing's going to happen, so you have to come down here to start stream. Click on start stream. It starts up. If you're out and about, you change this to hotspot. Describe your live stream, share it to whoever, and the quality you want will be as high as 720p only, not HD 1080p like other cameras. The bit rate's adaptive, meaning you could choose 2 megabits, 4 megabits, or have the automatic go on. Start your stream. The camera says preparing to live stream all along, connected, streaming live. There is no way we are able to see our stream via the smartphone. We have here is live stream in progress for the past 15 minutes. Preview unavailable during live stream. Streaming quality is excellent. Press the shutter record button to start or stop, or tap icon on the bottom left to exit stream. The camera is live streaming, and we have the option to hit the 1x and zoom in and zoom out. That is something that we may or may not be able to do on other cameras. Over here we have the live stream, and we're going to enlarge the screen so you can see it in the background. On the camera, we are able to go into the Pro, change the field of view from D-warp to wide, and it's going to take time on the screen to change all this to ultra wide. We have the advantage to go to Pro, and in Pro there is nothing else to choose from. So Pro basically disables in the camera. We don't know what Pro is set to, but we can only choose the different screen resolutions. Over here in the lower left corner, if we click on it, it's a little thing that says End Live Stream or Continue to Live Stream. On the video on the left, you don't see anything changing in the field of view. We have the symbol of streaming, we have the symbol of battery life, we have the symbol on the SD card. If we swipe up, nothing happens. We swipe to the right or left, nothing's going to happen, or swipe down. We have a screensaver that was shut off. If we close out of the application, we're going to lose live stream. This is how we live stream to Facebook with a DJI Action 3. I hope this video may have helped somebody if they're looking to live stream. You will not be able to see any chat information like so on the screen whatsoever. Maybe in the near future, DJI will allow us to live stream. End stream, or come over to the camera and end stream here. Everything shuts off and the stream has successfully been made. Click done and continue your live stream on another level. It goes back to the original video overlay of live feed of the DJI Osmo Action 3.